Observation method. Observation is the process of watching someone or something often. Observation is an informal action, but it can also be formal and involve data collection. And observation can also be the collected information itself. Explore different example of observation from scientific to social. Observation under the careful guidance of a teacher proves very effective in the process of learning. Observation basically implies direct experience or visit to actual places. For example, your historical places, geographical, scientific, industrial, agriculture places. Observation method is described as a method to observe and describe behavior of a subject. As the name suggests, it is way of collecting relevant information and data by observation. Whenever you are collecting any data, you will collect that data by observing yourself. Techniques of observation: field trip, community survey, and community service project. So, field trip excursions are small journey to the places of historical, geographical, scientific, agriculture, and industrial interest. Field trips and excursions may be undertaken by securing information, changing attitude, arousing interest, etc. Field trip may be taken to places of historical trip to Ajanta, Ellora, geographical trip to any zoo, any museum, scientific trip to any laboratory. So these are some examples. So community survey, what is community survey? Community survey are very useful in stimulating depth of insight into vital community problem and trends, as these have been influenced by past conditions, present development, and your future prospects. Community service projects, these involve individual activity of your an integrated physical, mental, emotional, social, or spiritual nature. Thus, they result in genuine educational value of the people as well as important social value of the society. Merits of observation method: it is knowledge about environment, aesthetic sense, brainstorming of ideas, then your supplementary knowledge of other subjects, and your motivation factor. How motivating factor? Technique of observation like field trip and excursion, community survey, and service projects have a motivating force for further inquiry. Immediate surrounding and community afford many opportunity for observation. How supplementary knowledge? Supplementary classwork, visit to valley, caves, forests, mountains, museum, libraries, laboratories help in supplementing the teaching of relevant subject. Aesthetic sense: if we talk about aesthetic sense, observation method to the place of natural beauty create love for the nature and develop a aesthetic sense of student. When we talk about the knowledge about the environment, so yes, observation method enables students to know intimately their environment by putting them in direct contact with things, places, person, organization, and institutions. So they gain experience and thereby knowledge also. And brainstorming, yes, you are getting direct experiences, you are observing the things with your mental action. So lots of questions are also developing in your mind, so you will find out the answer, you will research the answer or solution for your queries. Demerits: not for all types of subjects, lack of competence of the observer, unmanageable data, time consuming and cost more difficulty to interpret. Yes, very important. What are the applications of observation method? Most suitable example of observation method is we today know about our history, a result of archaeological observation. So when we observe anything, we save that data, and that data definitely help the future generation. Archaeologists observe metal, gold, silver, bronze, coins, etc., pillars, activity of past. A careful role of observation in the natural sciences with particular attention to evaluation and evidential contribution of the places and the people. Meaningful observation in studies of the human past are most appropriate example of the observation method.